Alright, so now I did change the micro IC, which is about I think 5 volt, and that is actually U8. Yeah, U8. So I changed U8, and that the fusible resistor. So with the fusible resistor, now everything is looking. As you can see it is quietly working, and so far that's it. All right, so we can switch it off. Switch it off. All right, and then put it on. Oh. Oh, let's see. Yeah, so that's it. Wow, so that's okay. That's pretty much okay now, and probably the only thing we could do now is close it. Oh wait. Let's check the output. Let's check out the output. Alright. So we're gonna check out the output and see what exactly do we have here. Alright, so we have about 228. Yeah, so 228. Yeah, so that's pretty much okay. Somehow a headache. Alright, so yeah, that's good. That's good. Now everything is okay, and the only thing we're gonna do here now is that we close it and then get it packed. Alright.